It's already like almost dead.
You know. It's a rare occasion.
Take a picture. Ah!
Rest going out of service.
Yeah.
We're just going out of service. Dumbass.
Still
Okay.
error? Huh?
No, mine's recording, right?
No. I keep saying that.
I said it wasn't hard enough.
No. I feel bad. It went to 1 and then stopped.
I won't feel bad when the check comes in.
Oh, that's that.
He called me up and trying to give me a account with Warren. Like, I'm not going to Warren. And he's like, what do you mean? Well, he's too far away. Are you sure? Warren. I'm not fucking going to Warren, dude. Not doing it. Not doing
That's
it.
a dent.
How about now?
Yeah, I'm not doing it. There's not enough time today.
What is he doing?
Come on. Double it. And then I'll go do it. Yeah, no.
I don't think you're hitting it hard enough.
Yeah. I gave that one to Don.
Alright. Let it off.
I did.
Yeah.
Now it's recording.
Oh, I'm gonna still listen now and that out. The plow already got by? Oh no.
He's like, did the plow already go by? Oh no, Austin did. This is the most rare moment I've ever seen this truck in.
You've never seen it out on the road like this?
Nope. Not this pretty either. He needs a four-wheel drive.
No, we need Fozzie.
Yeah. It was still recording, so
Maybe I fixed it. Maybe I didn't.
I don't know. I don't know what can fix this thing.
It would be funny if I did fix it.
Yeah. This is the rarest form I've ever seen this truck in. It's pretty and it's in the snow. What's up with that?
What's up with that?
Character dent.
Can't even tell.
I know. It shines. How is this thing doing the snow?
It's no good.
No.
It's just a sled.
Yeah.
We
Let's.
plow,
Yeah.
put the brakes on, the front wheels lock up first.
Yeah, yeah.
steer it, you know.
Ah, jeez.
Yeah, it's not full wheel drive, man.
Be a lot cooler if you did. Still, heavy snow is heavy snow.
If we did. What was that fucking? A 60 Kingpin running in there?
Yeah, that's what it needs.